Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door gasket in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need the Phillips and the flathead blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door gasket. The refrigerator door gasket provides an airtight seal, preventing the warm air from getting inside the refrigerator. Both of the refrigerator door gaskets are identical, but because the left side door gasket replacement requires the removal of the flapper door cover and the job is a bit more difficult, we're going to show you how to replace the left side door gasket. A bad seal could cause the door not to close properly, higher than normal temperature inside the compartment, or a longer running compressor time. If you are experiencing any of these problems, check the door gasket and replace it if needed. Let's open the left door, and then we're going to flip that mullion open. Now we need to remove these two caps to get to the screws. So we're going to use the flathead blade screwdriver. I'm going to pop it off. Now there's two Phillips screws. I'll be taken out using a long Phillips screwdriver. Okay, now we're going to remove this mullion. I'm going to push up on the bottom. And carefully, don't let it go. We need to disconnect first. I'm going to pull out the harness, and guess what happens? We're going to see the plug here. Push up on the plug and disconnect it. And just be on the safe side. Make sure this is not going to disappear in the door. To remove the old refrigerator door gasket, we're going to peel it out a little bit, and then I'm going to insert the flathead blade screwdriver right there in the seam. And I'm going to start prying it out. So now I'm going to pull it out. This is the old refrigerator door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new gasket, make sure that the groove is clean and dry. Alright, so this is a new gasket. It will be installed with these two flappers on the outside, so that edge will be pushed into the groove. I'll lift it up, and we're going to put first both corners and press it in. And then we can go pressing it in. You will feel how it goes in. If you don't have enough strength in your fingers, you can use a plastic or rubber mallet. Knock it in. All right, let's go down and press it in. All right, now we're going to inspect how the gasket is installed all around the gasket. Shouldn't be any gaps. And next we're going to install the flapper door cover with Mullion heater. All right, so we're going to connect this plug right in the middle. Make sure it's locked. And we're going to insert it in, out of the way. And that little L shape tab is going to lock over there later on when I'm going to put the hinges on. So make sure that hinge is open. Same thing on the top. I'm going to slide it on at the same time. All three of them. And now we're going to push in the middle one, and we're going to secure it with the couple of Phillips screws. Now I can install these safety caps. Push it on. Now I can close that flapper door cover, and we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.